Welcome to Big Sun Hobbies. With the installation of the SSD Brass Knuckles, Element Trailrunner got to the weight distribution that I wanted. I also made some rear shock mounts where I drooped it using the IERC shock keys and stiffened the rear using the yellow springs. I took it out to my testing ground to see how they changed the Trailrunner. Check out how the Trailrunner did. Also stay tuned to the end where I provide my impressions and thoughts on the upgrades. Here's my impressions. The changes to weight distribution and rear shock mass definitely improved the climbing abilities of the Element Trailrunner. The forward weight bias planted the front end much more, and the rear did not sag as much as before. Although I had a very hard time, I was able to clear the very steep climb on line number 4, which is not an easy task as Trailrunner couldn't clear it prior to the upgrades. But the performance left me feeling a bit lacking. A heavier body is raising up the center of gravity, causing the front end to lift more than I had anticipated. I think it can really benefit from 11.83% overdrive, and I really have to do something about the rear end. It hangs way too much. As much as I was avoiding to hack on the body, I'll have to trim it a bit. Overall good progress, but a bit more work is still needed. Hope you found the information useful. I'll make sure to include the links to the parts mentioned in the description below. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching Big Sun Hobbies.